Okay, so today we are going to learn about length topic. So relationship between centimeter and millimeter. I already teach you this in your class, right? So what terms I give you, I ask you to memorize. Anybody? Do you know what terms I ask you to memorize that day? To make sure to understand the relationship between centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, meter. Anybody? I teach the terms in Malay. Kami murid?
Kami murid cemerlang matematik.
Yeah, kami murid cemerlang matematik. From that terms, we can find the relationship between kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter, right?
Right.
Okay, so centimeter. Yeah, centimeter. Right? This centimeter, the short form for centimeter is cm, and the short form for millimeter is mm. So the formula for centimeter and millimeter is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. When you convert centimeter to millimeter, what operation will involve? Times 10, right? From millimeter to centimeter, we will going to divide 10. Okay, between these two units, centimeter is bigger than millimeter. From big unit, when we convert to small unit, we will use times. And the relationship between this centimeter and millimeter is 10. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. When you convert centimeter to millimeter, we have to times 10. So when you convert millimeter to centimeter, we will divide 10. So in your textbook, page 174, you have a few questions A to F. So teacher give you some examples here. Okay, question 1, 8 centimeter equals to how many millimeter? Anybody can give me the answer? 8 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter?
80 millimeter.
Okay, how you got the answer? May I know who is answering?
80 times 10.
80 times
8 times 10.
Okay, centimeter is bigger unit. So 8 from centimeter we are going to convert to millimeter. So we need to times 10. So don't forget the unit. When we times with the 10, we will get 80 centimeter. Okay. So where you can do in this method or with standard written method, you also can do like this. 10 divide 8. This is also can. Okay. Okay. Teacher, I teach you T method in class, right? Do you remember T method in class?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. How to do T for this question? And how to make a T for this question? First, okay, all of you take your pencil and draw T first. Draw T.
Teacher, draw already, teacher.
Draw ready. And then if you fill the T completely, how to fill the T? Which centimeter or millimeter will come first? Which will come first? Which unit will come first?
Centimeter, teacher.
Centimeter and then followed by millimeter. Okay, how about this line? The straight line there. It is a
Decimal point.
decimal point. Okay. Is it complete ready? Our T? Complete? Not yet. Okay, not yet. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So in millimeter, there are how many zeros?
1.
1 0. So here we need to put 1 line because there will be only 1 digit in millimeter. Okay. Class?
Ah,
Okay. So
Okay.
when you write this 8 centimeter, you see this 8 centimeter, the centimeter is, the 8 shows for centimeter. So you just copy the 8 in the centimeter house. How about this line? It will become 0. So your answer will become 80 centimeter. When we do T method, we can get 3 types of answer. First, we can write in centimeter. Second, we can, sorry, I did wrong. This is not centimeter, 80 millimeter, right? So, we will get 80 millimeter. Okay. When we do T method, we can get 3 types of answer. We can write our answer in centimeter, in millimeter, and also in centimeter and millimeter. We can get 3 types of answer when we are using T method. Okay. Centimeter, normally we can put decimal point. The bigger unit will have the decimal point. Okay. The small unit won't have decimal point. And then when you want to separate centimeter, you just write whatever in centimeter house, you write there with centimeter, and whatever in millimeter house, you write in millimeter house. So this is the 3 type of answers that we can get when we are using T method. Okay, so we're going to see another question, example 2. Okay, for example 2, 13 centimeter and 8 millimeter. When we convert to millimeter. Okay, so how to convert this? First, you have to see the units involved in this question. We are going to convert all these 13 centimeter and 8 millimeter to millimeter. So when you do this, you see here, there are 13 centimeter. So the unit involved here is centimeter. How about this question? This 8 is in millimeter. So we need the answer also in millimeter. So you don't touch this 8 first. This 8 is already in millimeter. So we only will convert 13 centimeter to millimeter. Then we will add this 8 millimeter with the answer we get from the centimeter. Okay, we just add this with this centimeter. Okay, so first we need to convert from centimeter to millimeter. When you using the method 13, we will times with 10, right? So you can write in any way. Okay, this 0, you just cut the 0 here and write in your answer. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1. So you will get 130 millimeter. So our question is not complete yet because there are 2 numbers, 2 units involved in this question, 13 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So what we should do next, with this 130 millimeter, we need to add this 8 millimeter. Make sure you write the numbers according to the place value. Okay, make sure you write the numbers according to the place value. When you add 0 plus 8 is 8. Okay, 3 and 1. So our answer is 138 millimeter. 138 millimeter. So if you want to proceed this question with T method, it's more easy. And you want me to show how to do this question in T method? Class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I'll show you how to do in T method. First, you need to draw T. You draw a T. My T become... Okay. First, you draw T. Okay, and then complete which unit is bigger. Centimeter is bigger, millimeter is small, and 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter, and this is the decimal point. Okay, now you see in this question, 13 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Right. So this here in millimeter there are only 1 0. So we need to write only one number in millimeter house, right? Okay. Now you see this 13 in which house? Centimeter house, right? So you just copy this 13 to the centimeter house. Okay. And then this 8 in which house? Millimeter house. You just copy the
Millimeter
8
house.
millimeter house. So you already get your answer 130 millimeter. You understand? Listen or not? Can get?
Teacher.
Okay, now you see we can give. Pardon? We can get 3 types of answer when we are doing this T method. So we already done millimeter. When you write the small unit, you cannot use decimal point. Okay, for the bigger unit, if you say you want to write for centimeter, we need to use the decimal point. I already told you this line is a decimal point. So 13.8 centimeter. So we can write this number. If you put the decimal point, it is a bigger unit. If you take out the decimal point, it is a small unit. So we can separate and write this question as 13 centimeter and 8 millimeter according to the house. So we will get the 13 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So there are 3 types of answers when we using T method. Clear? Any other questions that you want me to teach?
Clear, teacher.
Clear. Can get my. I give you one more example.
Teacher.
Wait, somebody. Okay. I give you one more example. Example 3. Let's see.
Okay, teacher.
Why? 120 millimeter. When you going to convert to centimeter, so you can do the method or you can do the T method also can, or you can use the formula also can. From millimeter to centimeter, what is the formula? What we have to do?
Divide.
Divide with how much?
10.
10. Why 10?
Because centimeter to millimeter convert.
Millimeter is 10.
Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. So when we are divide 10, 100, 1000, teacher teach you to cut and also move the decimal point, right? So which method? You want to do long division or you want to use the decimal method? Let's the decimal method. 120 millimeter. This line is a divide 10. Wait for a while, class.
Teacher, 12 centimeter, teacher.
Hello?
This here. Teacher, 12 centimeter, teacher. I will tell us then. Teacher, the answer is 12 centimeter.
Okay, the answer is 12 centimeter, right? So you want to, which method you use? If decimal point, this 120 is a whole number, right? So all the whole numbers will have its decimal point behind the number. So for this 120, there is a decimal point after at the end of the number as a full stop for the sentence. Okay. So this 120, there is a decimal point, but we have to put that decimal point and we need to move one place because here got only 1 0. So you can cut it. So make sure you have to put this arrow. So you will get 12.0 centimeter. So you also can write it as 12 centimeter. So just now your answer is correct. Okay. This is one method. If you want to do long division, so 120 you divide with 10. So 1 times 10 is 10. Okay, 2 minus 0, 2, and then you bring this 0 down. So 2 times 10 is 20. So there is no remainder in this question. So your answer will become 12 centimeter. This is millimeter. When you divide, it will become 12 centimeter. This is the long method. So another method is T method. Yes, why, Aya? Another method is T method. Okay, so it's in centimeter, millimeter. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. This is a decimal point. Here must have one number. So this 120 is from small unit. If small unit, we need to write the numbers from behind. 0, 2, 1. So your answer will become 12 centimeter. 12.0 centimeter. Is that? So today we had learned relationship between centimeter and millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. When you convert centimeter to millimeter, we need to times 10. And when we do conversion millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide 10. Okay. So this is some examples that teacher teach you just now. There are 3 examples I give you. It's up to you. Which method you understand, you can use that method to do this conversion. Okay, this method is we can also use in addition, multiplication, and subtraction also. So you no need to worry. Okay, have you copied down the examples? Okay, if you want to do work in page 174 in your textbook, test yourself. There are A until F. There are 6 questions you do in your book. The book with you, right? Some of it you don't have book, you just do it. If you don't have the book, you do in a piece of test pad. Okay, now I'm going to teach you relationship between kilometer and meter. So after that, I will teach you the just now the kami murid cemerlang mathematics. We can get all these formulas from the
Kami murid cemerlang.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to use relationship between what?
Centimeter
Centimeter.
Kilometer and meter.
Kilometer,
Meter and
Meter.
meter, and
Meter.
millimeter.
Meter.
Okay. Just now you already do which method for kilometer we use as km and meter we will use the m. Correct or not?
Correct, teacher.
Please draw T for kilometer and meter. I want to see.
Okay,
Draw or not? Later you check when teacher draw. Draw T method. If you finish, let me know.
Correct, teacher.
Okay. First, you draw tree like this. Okay. Which unit you will write first? Between this kilometer and meter, which unit we can write first?
Kilometer.
Why kilometer?
Kilometer, teacher. Kilometer.
Why kilometer? Because kilometer is big unit than meter, bigger than meter. So you need to complete this T with 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, and this line is a decimal point. And here, how many numbers you can write in meter house? How many numbers you can write in meter house?
Three. Three, teacher.
1, 2, 3.
Three.
Why 3? Why 3? Because relationship kilometer is in the 1000. This 1000 got 3 zeros.
Because there are three
Use 3
zeros
lines.
in the thousand.
So we have to write 3 numbers in meter house. Okay. Now you see the formula for kilometer and meter is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. When we convert kilometer to meter, we need to times 1000. From meter to kilometer, we need to divide 1000. Okay. All this method you need to use, you learn all this method, but you apply which method you can understand more, you apply that method to solve your question. Okay. Now teacher give you one example. 26 kilometer equals to how many meter? When you do this question with the formula, what you should do? 26 times with 1000. So you can write like this, and then you cut the zeros. You just copy the zeros in the question. And then 6 times 1 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2. So your answer will become 26,000 meters. Okay? If you do this question in T method, you just write there are 26, you just 26 in kilometer out, and there is no number in meter, then you replace the so you will get the same answer when you are using T method also. Okay. Move on to example 2. Class, you understand, right?
Yes. Yes, teacher. Understand, teacher.
If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
No, teacher.
Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me. I'm recording this lesson. So later I download this and put in WhatsApp group. Then you can watch again. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Now the 35,000 meter, when we convert to kilometer, what you should do?
Divide.
Divide.
Divide what?
1,000.
Divide
Divide
10.
100.
1,000.
100.
1,000.
Divide 1,000.
Divide 1,000 because the relation between
Divide
kilometer
1,000.
1,000. Okay. So what method you are going to use? Using the long division or the short division?
Short division.
Okay, 35,000 you divide with 1,000. Already teach you, right? When you write the questions instruction format, it is automatically shown as division, right?
Yes.
So this line is right. So you can cut the zeros. You can see the pair. You got one pair, so we can cut the zeros. And some more, we have one more pair, so we can cut the zeros.
One
More pair, we also can cut the zeros. So the balance
35.
35
kilometers.
Answer is
Answer is 35. 35.
kilometer. Okay.
Kilometer.
Yeah. 35 kilometers. Okay. Teacher give you third example. 25 kilometer and 50 meter. Okay. So we need to convert to kilometer. How to convert this to kilometer? What you should do? This is already in kilometer. So you need to convert this 50 meter to kilometer. Then we have to add, right?
yes.
So there are few methods to do this question. First, I teach you the method. I want to teach you the method to show you how simple to solve this question. First, you draw the method. You draw the tree and then fill up the tree with the information kilometer, meter. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. And this is the decimal point. You need to write the numbers in meter house. Please switch off your mic.
I'm sitting on the bed.
You can hear the sounds from behind. Shashwin, please switch your mic. Okay, so this is the T method we are going to use to solve this question. Okay, when you see this 25 in which house? Kilometer house. So we just write that 25 in kilometer house. How about this 50? This is meter, small unit. Small unit means we need to write from behind, right? So
Yes.
0, 5. So what we are going to replace here? Which number we are going to replace in this line?
0.
Remember, there must be 3 numbers in meter because there are 3 zeros in 1,000, right?
Yes.
So here we will replace 0. So when we do T method, we can get 3 types of answer. When we write kilometer, biggest unit,
Kilometer,
what we
meter,
should do?
and kilometer.
And
Okay. Kilometer, what we kilometer is bigger unit, right?
Yes.
If bigger unit, what will have answer? What we must put in this question? Kilometer must have what? Decimal point. Okay, when you write the answer in kilometer, there must be decimal point, and then you follow with the other numbers. 25.050 kilometer. Okay, when you convert this to meter, you just take out the decimal point and you write 25,000 and 50 meter. Kilometer, this is meter. But this question asks you kilometer. So your answer will become 25.050 kilometer. Okay, you just practice it at home, then you can answer the questions. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can contact me or you can ask me to how to do these questions. Okay?
Okay.
Understand or not? If let's say if you don't want to use T method, you want to use the working method
Understand, teacher?
formula, what you should do? You don't bother doing. The question is 25 kilometer and 50 meter, right? Okay, you don't bother this kilometer first. Okay, this is already kilometer. I need to add these two. But this meter, you need to convert to kilometer. Okay, so from meter to kilometer, we should do what? Divide 1000, right? So 50 meter you divide with 1000. Okay, there is a decimal point here. Just move one. Okay, one time you just cut 1 0. The second time you cut another 0. There is one more 0 to cut, so you need to add a 0 and then you move one more time. So your decimal point will become here 0.050 kilometer. You already convert this 50 meter to kilometer. Then you add this 25 kilometer with this 0.050 kilometer. So how you want to put plus? Is it correct method? Just show you now. You see, is it correct? Can we do like this? Is it correct? If you want to add like this, can
Cannot.
not?
No.
Because there is a decimal point in this question, and this question got no decimal point. Okay, this 25, see here, this 25 got decimal point or not? All the numbers will have its own decimal point at the end of the number. So this 25 has its decimal point. So 25.0. This is the correct method, and then you just the zeros must be straight line, right? You are regularly in decimal topic. Make sure you don't forget when we division of decimals, you must write the decimal in straight line. Okay, now you see the numbers, which if there is no number, you just replace it 0 and then you plus 0, 5, 0, 5 and
25.
so you will get 25.050 kilometers.
25.050 kilometers.
50 kilometer. If you want to say the last zero is also can. 25.05 kilometer is also correct. Okay. So in your textbook, page 175, test yourself within A to F. Okay.
Teacher.
Question.
Teacher.
I already teach you 3 questions from the test yourself. You need to do by your own by some more 3 questions. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Any question? Any doubt you want to ask me?
Teacher.
No.
Teacher,
Yes, Amma.
after we do the page, the questions we want to send in the group.
Which group?
No need teacher. Stop at the
No need to share in group. Later, teacher collect the books. Or you give to your class, your maths teacher.
அவங்க சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டாங்க.
Maybe some of you already learned this topic. Okay, for next class, I'm going to teach you addition of length and subtraction of length.
ஓகே டீச்சர்.
We will, most of the time we will using T method. So practice doing T method at your home.